Okay, so here we have a glitter ball which weighs a lot. It's very heavy and it takes a lot of energy to take this ball all the way up to this glass plate. And if we give it a little push and let it go, bloody hell.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
That's insane.
That was perfect.
That was just perfect. Huh? And also none of the glass went in my face, which adds to the beauty of it. Hi, my name is Jasna Brujic. I'm a professor here at the NYU's Department of Physics in the Center for Soft Matter, and I'm going to be talking to you about the concept of energy conservation. Given the fact that I have infinite belief in the laws of physics and the law of conservation of energy, I'm going to risk my life at this point in time and give this ball a lot of gravitational potential energy, put it right against my nose, and give it a push. Oh my God. I'm going to try to not move. Okay, do you want to do it again? That was scary. Okay, so I'm still alive and well. And so let's think about what actually happened during that experiment. We gave this ball gravitational potential energy, and in the first run, I put a lot of force into pushing it this way, so I gave it some kinetic energy to start with, and as a result, you saw the glass shatter. Now, the trick I played on you is that in the second round, I put it right up against my nose, but I let my muscles totally relax and I let go of the ball without any force whatsoever. And therefore, ouch, the ball actually didn't get to smash my head against the wall. So what actually happened in this concept of energy conservation? This ball here is totally relaxed. It's being held by the spring and there is no particular energy that it needs to worry about. Now, I put all my force into it to lift it, so I've given it gravitational potential energy, but now it's at rest. It has zero kinetic energy, and when I let go of the ball, it actually loses all that gravitational potential energy, and when it reaches the halfway point, it's actually converted all the gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy, so it has the most momentum at the halfway point, but then it still has momentum, therefore it keeps going, wasting all of that kinetic energy and transforming it into gravitational potential energy. And what happens when it gets to this end? What happens is that it's not in mechanical equilibrium, therefore it rushes back down again, and with each swing of the pendulum it loses a bit more energy because there is some air resistance, so there's friction, and so the swings of the pendulum become less and less wide, but the first one essentially goes back and forth to the same point where it started from. So what did we learn today? The main message of this energy conservation is that, as you know from high school, energy cannot be destroyed and energy cannot be created. It's therefore conserved in the universe, but it can be transformed from one form into another. And the good news is that you can quantify all of that, so whatever energy you give to a system is exactly the energy that you get back out. And therefore, if you tune your experiment very well, then you don't need to worry about breaking glass. But if you give it some momentum to start with, then you're in trouble because that momentum will come back to get you. Thank you for watching. I'm Professor Jasna Brujic. This is NYU's Physics Department with its wonderful demos. Come and see us again. That's it. Yay! I think the learning lesson is that we should not do this way again.
Yeah, this one put a safety warning on.
Yeah, this was. Do not try this at home. That's good. It gives you something to like talk about in the what did you say? Bloopers, bleepers? Yeah.